Today I wanted to order some groceries from Instamart, and last week I think Swiggy released Instamart MCPs. So I wanted to try it, and this is my first try. Let's see how it goes. And I have already configured the MCP Swiggy registration alone, and this is going to be my first order from Claude Code. So let me trigger Claude Code. Yeah, so this is my Obsidian vault, and from here I have already initialized Claude Code and everything is already set up. And if we check the MCP, we have Swiggy Food and Swiggy Instamart already configured. So now let's try to order it. I want to order 500 ml milk Nandini, and then very less quantity of cucumber and a very less quantity of plain muesli. Yeah, place the order in Instamart. So now let's see what it is going to do. It has to invoke Swiggy Instamart MCP. It is doing it. It is asking that it needs to fetch my saved delivery addresses. I'll say yes. So now it has got all of my addresses. Let me select my home address, and now it is starting to search the products, and I say yes, go ahead and search it. It is searching in parallel. That's pretty cool instead of doing it one by one. So yeah, it has found Nandini milk, toned cucumber, plain muesli. It couldn't find. We can go with the first one for muesli. So now it is asking me to update the car. Let's go ahead and do it. So now it has come up with the car details, delivery address, cart items, bill breakdown, payment cash. Okay, let's check if there is any other payment mode available. Is there any other payment mode available? Okay, I think mostly it's not available. For other payment options, like you need to complete the order on the Swiggy Instamart app. The good news is the cart is already, you will see the items ready for the checkout with all the payment options. Okay, let's complete the order with COD. Yeah, that's fine. I think we can place the order. Oh, order is confirmed. Your grocery is on the way. That's nice. Let's check out in 5 minutes if the order is on the way. So we have muesli, the milk, and 2 cucumbers. So that's how you order via MCP with your Claude Code. I have also inserted the MCP command that you can use it to install on your Claude Code or wherever you are using AI agents. Let's catch up in the next video. See you. Bye.